January 2nd, 2023. Here we are in a new year, new trading year, fresh new market. What's going to happen? We don't know. What I'll tell you is I'm going to win trades. And the reason why I'm going to win trades is because I use strategies that work. And this is another one of them. So this is a very, very basic strategy that anyone can use. I use it only on the bullish side. Back tested. The way I describe the strategy and the way to use it, you're going to get a win rate in the range of 80 to 90% when used properly. Proper confirmation, proper usage. So, this is how this strategy works. So, basically, you're going to run, I'm using Ethereum as an example today. Today's a non-market trading day, so I'm going to use crypto here. Ethereum, we're going to use the 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart. Out of all my indicators that I use, the only ones you're going to be using for this one is you're going to have your MACD, Stochastic, and RSI. The other ones are irrelevant, but I do have other strategies that incorporate those as well, so stay tuned. For this particular strategy, we are looking for a couple things. You want to have both of your MACDs on the 5-minute and the 30-minute time frames need to be above the pivot line. They don't have to be positive cross. We're just looking above the pivot, which we have here, as we can see. On your RSI, we want to be above the 50 level, the yellow line, which is your smoothing line, which is a longer average. We want that to be above the 50, as well as on the 30-minute time frame. Then at that point, once we have those confirmations, and again, we have to have all of these for the pattern, then all we're looking for is when the stochastic goes below 50, when it recrosses, when the white line recrosses the red line, that is going to be when we're going to buy. And when it crosses the red line again on the top side is when we're going to close the trade. So for example, right here is an example where it would have worked. We would be buying at the 12.14 range, and we would have gotten out at 12.15, 78 range. In any case, my next video is going to have a full back test on this, about a 90% win rate. But if we look back here, let's go back to here, when Ethereum was bullish, it killed it over here. But again, real simple. This is a really, really simple strategy. Bullish only. So, we're not shorting this, in any shape or form. We're not selling. We're only buying. So you want your positive MACD above the pivot, 5 and 30, RSI above 50, and then you're going to buy in your stochastic cross below the 50 and sell. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment or send a message. But it's a very simple strategy. It works. Again, you got to have all the ingredients together. So again, back testing is everything. I don't take this and go trade. Take this to your trading view, set up the indicators, stochastic, RSI, MACD, and go ahead and back test it. And back test it against different instruments that you're trading. It works. I've done the work myself. You got to see it for yourself to use, but it's going to be very effective for you. It's a very simple one, and again, you're not going to use it every day because, again, you have a lot of ingredients that need to be filled on the MACD, RSI, but on bullish days, it is super effective. Nuts. So whenever those days come where the market flies, you're never going to miss out again if you have this strategy in your back pocket. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. I got some good stuff coming for you guys. Enjoy.